A DC motor is a motor that converts DC energy into mechanical energy. Because of its good speed regulation performance, it is widely used in electrical drive. According to the excitation mode, DC motor is divided into permanent magnet, other excitation, and self-excitation, 3 categories. Self-excitation is divided into shunt excitation, series excitation, and compound excitation, 3 kinds. When the DC power supply is supplied to the armature winding by the electrical bush, the N-pole conductor on the armature surface can flow the current in the same direction. The conductor under the S-pole on the surface of the armature also flows a current in the same direction. And the conductor will also be subjected to a counterclockwise torque according to the left-hand rule. In this way, the whole armature winding the rotor will rotate counterclockwise, and the input DC energy will be converted into the output mechanical energy on the rotor shaft, composed of stator and rotor. Stator, base, main, magnetic pole, commutator pole, brush device, etc. Rotor, armature, armature core, armature winding, commutator, shaft and fan, etc. ULN 2003 Stepper motor drive plate. A, B, C, D LEDs indicate the state of the 4 phases stepper motor at work. It is equipped with standard interface of stepper motor, which can be directly inserted and pulled out when using. Experiment purpose. Use Arduino control to board to control a DC motor rotation. Component list. Keywish Arduino Uno R3 motherboard, breadboard, USB cable, DC motor, motor drive plate, the fan blade, jumper wires. I like to note here that you don't have to get a Keywish Arduino. Any Arduino Uno R3 motherboard will do fine. So this is the demonstration how to do the DC motor experiment. Here's the USB cable. My power bank is just to turn on the Arduino board, and anything can power it on. It could be your computer, it could be the DC outlet. So here we go. We're gonna connect it, turn it on, and what did I tell ya? You get yourself a nice, cool fan. Oh man, I really love the breeze. Definitely glad I built this first out of all the experiments in the kit that came with it. So, as I said before, after doing all the connections, and as I said, the tape already holding the DC motor in place, already losing its stickiness. Hopefully it would hold on after pressing it, stabilize it. But yeah, that's really all to it. Here's the back fan. There's a Arduino board. Those red LED lights are on, saying it's working properly. You can see the motor drive board right there behind the fan. That one LED light is on, saying it's functioning. And there's behind the fan. But yeah, this is it. So if you have any other questions, you can write down a comment below. I'll try my best to respond and help. And if you really enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below. Subscribe if you want for more of this content. I'm definitely planning to do more fun experiments with the kit I bought from my school to present and see how it will work and turn out. And yeah. Just so glad that I did this experiment first. I'm really loving this cool breeze right now. Oh man. But again, thank you for watching this video, and hope you have a nice one. Peace.